Hello everyone. In this lesson, you are going to learn about whole numbers. There are 15 practice questions on whole numbers in this video. By doing the practice questions, you will learn the basic concepts and you will be also familiar with exam type questions. Question number 1. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. It continues like this. It never ends. Whole numbers are infinite. The first and the smallest whole number is 0. But there is no the last or the greatest whole number. This is because whole numbers are infinite. Therefore, the answer to this question is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Question number 2. What symbol is used to represent whole numbers? The symbol used to represent whole numbers is capital letter W. The set of whole numbers is represented by capital letter W. Therefore, the answer to this question is letter W in capital. Question number 3. How many whole numbers are there in between 627 and 634? First, let us list whole numbers in between 627 and 634. Whole numbers in between 627 and 634 are 628, 629, 630, 631, 632, and 633. Therefore, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 whole numbers in between 627 and 634. Therefore, the answer to this question is 6. There are 6 whole numbers in between 627 and 634. Question number 4. Which of the following numbers are whole numbers? Is 29 whole number? Yes, 29 is whole number. Is 362 whole number? Yes, 362 is whole number. Is 0 whole number? Yes, 0 is whole number. Is 0.95 whole number? No, it is not whole number because 0.95 is decimal and decimals are not whole numbers. Whole numbers do not include decimals. Is 1 whole number? Yes, 1 is whole number. Is 2 over 7 whole number? No, it is not whole number because 2 over 7 is fraction and fractions are not whole numbers. Whole numbers do not include fractions. Is 36 whole number? Yes, 36 is whole number. Is negative 36 whole number? No, it is not whole number because negative 36 is a negative number and negative numbers are not whole numbers. Whole numbers do not include negative numbers. Is negative 9 over 4 whole number? No, it is not whole number because negative 9 over 4 is fraction and negative. And fractions and negative numbers are not whole numbers. Whole numbers do not include fractions and negative numbers. Is 100,000 whole number? Yes, it is whole number. Is negative 46.73 whole number? No, it is not whole number because negative 46.73 is decimal and negative. And decimals and negative numbers are not whole numbers. Whole numbers do not include decimals and negative numbers. Is 99 whole number? Yes, 99 is whole number. Therefore, the answer to this question is 29, 362, 0, 1, 36, 100,000, and 99. Question number 5. How many whole numbers are there? We said that whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. It never ends. Whole numbers are infinite. Therefore, the answer to this question is infinitely many. Whole numbers are infinitely many. Question number 6. What is the first whole number? We said that whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Therefore, the first whole number is 0. 0 is the first whole number. 0 is the first whole number. Question number 7. What is the smallest whole number? As we move from left to right, whole numbers are increasing. 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, and so on. Therefore, the smallest whole number is 0. All other whole numbers are greater than 0. The smallest whole number is 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. Question number 8. What is the last whole number? Because whole numbers are infinite, there is no the last whole number. Therefore, the answer to this question is there is no the last whole number. Question number 9. What is the greatest whole number? Again, because whole numbers are infinite, there is no the greatest whole number. Therefore, the answer to this question is there is no the greatest whole number. Question number 10. Which of the following numbers is a whole number? 45.01 is not whole number because 45.01 is decimal and whole numbers do not include decimals. 7 over 12 is not whole number because 7 over 12 is fraction and whole numbers do not include fractions. Negative 23 is not whole number because negative 23 is negative number and whole numbers do not include negative numbers. 0 is whole number. Whole numbers include 0. Choice A says all of the above, which is not correct because numbers in choice A, B, C are not whole numbers. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is choice D. Question number 11. What are the first 10 whole numbers? The first 10 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the first 10 whole numbers. Question number 12. All whole numbers are natural numbers. A. True. B. False. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. As you can see, whole numbers include 0, but natural numbers do not include 0. Therefore, because 0 is not a part of natural numbers, all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Therefore, the answer is B, false. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. But the other way around is true. All natural numbers are whole numbers. If you want to learn more about natural numbers, please check the link in the description box below. Question number 13. Which set of numbers includes only whole numbers? Only whole numbers. In choice A, 7.35 is not whole number because 7.35 is decimal and whole numbers do not include decimals. 0 is whole number, 1 is whole number, 1001 is whole number, 5 is whole number. Therefore, in this set of numbers, because 7.35 is not whole number, choice A is not the correct answer. In choice B, 4 is whole number, but 1 over 2 is not whole number because 1 over 2 is fraction and whole numbers do not include fractions. 101 is whole number, 11 is whole number. Negative 99 is not whole number because negative 99 is negative number and whole numbers do not include negative numbers. Therefore, in this set of numbers, because 1 over 2 and negative 99 are not whole numbers, choice B is not the correct answer. In choice C, 0 is whole number, but 0.99 is not whole number because 0.99 is decimal and whole numbers do not include decimals. 6 is whole number, 8 is whole number, 100 is whole number. Therefore, in this set of numbers, because 0.99 is not whole number, choice C is not the correct answer. In choice D, 0 is whole number, 1000 is whole number, 999 is whole number, 1 is whole number, 23 is whole number. Therefore, in this set of numbers, since all of them are whole numbers, choice D is the correct answer, which includes only whole numbers. Choice D is the correct answer to this question. Question number 14. Represent whole numbers on a number line. Represent whole numbers on a number line. Now we know that whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And we want to represent these numbers on a number line. To represent whole numbers on a number line, first draw a straight line. First draw a straight line. Then mark a point at the start or at the left end of the line and label it with the first whole number, which is 0. Next, mark another point on the right side of 0 and label it with the second whole number, which is 1. Then mark another point on the right side of 1 and label it with the next whole number, which is 2. Then mark another point on the right side of 2 and label it with the next whole number, which is 3. Then mark another point on the right side of 3 and label it with the next whole number, which is 4. Then mark another point on the right side of 4 and label it with the next whole number, which is 5. We said that whole numbers are infinite. Because we cannot list all of them, we used 3 dots to indicate they are infinite. To indicate whole numbers are infinite on a number line, we include an arrow at the right end of the line. The arrow indicates that whole numbers are infinite. A very important point here is that when you mark the points, the distance between the marks must be equal. The distance from 0 to 1 must be equals to the distance from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and so on. Therefore, this is how to represent whole numbers on a number line. Question number 15. Which of the following numbers is not a whole number? Is not a whole number. 100,000 is whole number. 0 is whole number. 77,777 is whole number. 1 is whole number. Choice A says none of the above, which is correct because all of the numbers in choice A, B, C, D are whole numbers. Therefore, the correct answer to this question is choice E. Let's summarize now what we discussed so far in this lesson. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Whole numbers are infinite. The set of whole numbers is represented by capital letter W. The first and the smallest whole number is 0. But there is no the last or the greatest whole number. Negative numbers are not whole numbers. Fractions are not whole numbers. Decimals are not whole numbers. Whole numbers represented on a number line like this. Please check the link in the description box below. It is about place value of digits in a number, which is a very important concept in maths. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.